Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error code 0x80070570 in Windows 11. So how to fix this error code in Windows 11. So firstly you need to open your file explorer and click on this PC, and here you see this device and drivers. Here you see this. So you need to click on this Windows icon driver. So you see this Windows icon driver. So right click on it, click on properties, click on tools. Now click on check. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now click on scan driver. Now wait some few minutes. The scanning process will be complete. After this process will be complete, so you see this close option, so close it. Now search CMD, click on run as administrators. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to type, I will tell you in notes, SFC space slash scan SCANNOW. So just type this SFC space slash scan now command line and press enter in your keyboard. This command you need to type in command prompt and press enter in your keyboard and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.